So hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Here we can see that how English is speaking. I am Shazman Aman Abbasi from Sophia School and a student. So basically आज हम देखते हैं इंग्लिश स्पोकन कितना नेसेसरी हो चुका है सबकी लाइफ में and why we should use a language and why we should speak in English. So here I will teach you English and the contents that noun, pronoun, adjective, conjunction and interjection that will help you to focus English and to speak English. So be with me for 45 days and I will help you in everything to tip to toe. We will help you to how to speak English, how to learn English and what will be the sentences, how will you make sentence frame. So basically when we go out, the main is our self intro and our confident. We have to make our confident and English very best. We have to make the fluent English. Like when foreigners comes to India, we say their accent and their accents are American, Japan and all that. So the Indian also use English but sometimes they make wrong sentence. Now I will help you to teach English very properly and speak English. So be with me and we will make a 45 class day schedule. Thank you.